Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use ISURL function in your Google Sheets. Let's say you have sheets filled with links and you just want to check whether the links are working or not. So if it is if they are in correct format, then this formula gives you true or false information. So based on that you can identify whether it is correct or not. So I have sample dump here. We will going to check each and every link by applying this formula. So I'm going to apply is URL and I'm going to select the link. Now we can see I'm going to auto suggest. I'm going to apply for all these keywords. So for the first one it is giving true, second it is giving false, and then for these two it is not giving as true. So we'll explore what kind of scenarios we can be having in the real time. The first scenario is we have the exact link, which is www.google.com, and if I click on it, it will open up. But the only drawback for this URL is it will not be going to check in real time whether the website is working or not. Even if you give the website which is not working, not exist, it just say okay, link is perfect. So it just check the format of the link, whether it has a correct format or not, then only it gives the true. But if the website is down, it is not working, or it is expired, it doesn't matter, it just gives the true statement because it only checks the link. Now if you go to second example where also we have google.com is linked with this word, but this is not linked, this is a search word. So if you click on it, it redirects you to Google. That doesn't mean that this is a link. This is still will be considered as a search word, not a link. And then we have a couple of more examples, like which is without adding www, we have only google.com, also can be considered as true. And then we have one more website. I guess this is not working, that is the reason I have added in the list. Yes, so we don't have any link on this, but still it gives the true result. Now we have two more examples here. So first one is youtube.com. So it is mentioned as false because if you observe closely, so it doesn't have colon here, so which is incorrect format for the link. So that's the reason it is giving as false. When it comes to the very next link, which is https colon and then double forward slash and then youtube.com, which is mentioned as true because it's a correct link, though it is not hyperlinked, but it can be considered as true when it comes to this formula is URL. We have a couple of links here where we have social media platforms and their links, and we're going to apply the same formula as a practice. I'm going to select the formula and then I'm going to select the URL. Let's see, I guess it should be giving true to all these websites because personally I collected yes, so personally I collected them from various platforms, so this is all true. Now again I have one more dump here where we have some correct domains and some incorrect domains. Let's apply the formula same here as well. Is URL and then select the value. Okay, now look at the false scenarios. Oh, I even kind of applied conditional format here. That's the reason it is reflecting in, you know, red color. So you can apply conditional format. So I already uploaded one more video on conditional formatting. You can go ahead and apply the conditional format. So now let's look at the false scenarios. As you can see, the double quotes, let me zoom a little bit. So the double quotes are not added here, which is the reason it's telling me as false. Now here there is no .com. Here the forward slash is missing. In this example also forward slash is missing. In this example I don't have any actually website. It has only https colon forward slash. So also giving me as a false. And then I have not available text, that's it, and it is giving me as false. So let's say for a practice, I'm going to add a little bit info here. So I'm going to make as not available.com. I guess it should be yes. So if you enter in a correct format, it will definitely reflect as true. So let me try to open this website. Do we have any website on this keyword or not? No, we don't have nothing in my website on this name. So this is how you can use ISURL function in your Google Sheets. So make sure you have correct link. So if you have incorrect link, then you can highlight with using conditional formatting here. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in next video.